ICC Champions Trophy 2025 Team India new squad. Number 1 KL Rahul. Number 2 Rohit Sharma. Number 3 Virat Kohli. Number 4 Rajat Patidar. Number 5 Mayank Yadav. Number 6 Mohammad Shami. Number 7 Riyan Farag. Number 8 Tinku Singh. Number 9 Jasprit Bumrah. Number 10 Akshar Patel. Number 11 Hardik Pandya. Number 12 Suryakumar Yadav. Number 13 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 14 Abhishek Sharma. Number 15 Umran Malik. Number 16 Shubman Gill. Number 17 Ravi Bishnoi. Number 18 Rishabh Pant. Number 19 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 20 Mohammad Siraj. So viewers, who is your favorite player of this squad? You can let us know by commenting. Thank you so much for watching this video.